Hi everyone, and welcome to our lesson 73. My name is Professor Robert, and in today's lesson, we will solve linear equations. Linear equations are first-degree polynomial equations and have the form ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers, and a is not equal to 0. All right, now let's try to work out some example. Example number 1. Let's have 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, we noticed or noted in one of our last lessons that to solve an equation, you have to add or divide or subtract or multiply an element on the right hand side, which you must do exactly on the opposite side, on the right hand side, all in an attempt to isolate the variable. And here our variable is x, which we have to isolate. So here we'll start off by subtracting 3 from both sides. Subtract 3 from both sides. So we'll be left with the 2x here, which will equal to 0 minus 3, which will be minus 3. And then next, we'll have to divide each side by 2, because once we divide 2x by 2, we will have isolated x, and we will only have x will equal to minus 3 over 2. And that would be our answer. All right? Okay, now let's look at a more elaborate uh, equation and we see what happens. So equation number 2. Let's suppose we have 3 into x plus 2, and we are told this is equal to 5x plus 2. In this case, we need first of all distribute the left-hand side. So this will be 3 multiplied by x, which will be 3x, and then 3 multiplied by 2, which will be plus 6. And this will equal to 5x plus 2. Now, again, we start off by aiming at isolating uh, x. So we'll start off by subtracting 3x on this side, and what you do to one side of an equation, you must do exactly the same thing on the other side. So on this side, we also have minus 3x. So 3 minus 3x will give us 0, and then we'll have our 6 here, which will equal to 5x minus 3x will give us 2x, and then plus 2. Next, we have to subtract 2 from both sides. And finally, we have 4 is equal to 2x. And then here, of course, we have to divide each side by 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2. And it follows that x is equal to 2. And that would be our final answer. All right? Okay. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. And see you in the next lesson. And bye for now.